How do you pronounce this name in French? Name of a French chemist. Bernard. Bernard is French for Bernard. Courtois, silent S. Courtois. So, in English you can say it as Bernard Courtois. How do you pronounce this name in French? Name of a French chemist. Bernard. Bernard is French for Bernard. Courtois, silent S. Courtois. So, in English you can say it as Bernard Courtois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.